Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open the camera app and swipe to photo mode to start. Tap the chevron at the top to reveal more controls. Tap the Photographic styles icon that looks like 4 squares. The interface shows 5 default styles and a live preview of each. You can scroll through standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm, and cool choices. Watch the preview carefully to judge shadows, highlights, and skin tones. The preview updates in real time so you can pick confidently. After choosing a base style, adjust tone and warmth sliders for fine control. Move tone toward richer contrast to deepen shadows and strengthen midtones. Move warmth toward warmer to add amber hues or toward cooler for bluer highlights. Each slider shows subtle changes in the live preview as you drag. Keep changes moderate to preserve natural skin tones and highlight detail. You can tap Reset if you want to revert the sliders to default values. Test adjustments with different scenes to find your preferred baseline. Once you select a photographic style, it remains active until you change it again. Simply close the camera app and your chosen style will still be applied for new photos. To preserve camera mode preferences, open Settings, then Camera, and enable Preserve Settings if desired. If you want to revert, open Photographic Styles and tap Standard or tap Reset to return sliders to default. Remember, styles affect still photos and live previews only, so always review images in photos after capture. Use these steps to...
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.